How to fix messages app not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Scroll down and search messages app from here. Scroll down and search message app. You will see message app is here, so click on message app. Scroll down and click on storage. So if you want to fix message app not working problem, so first of all click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data and click on delete. So after click on clear data, so you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh once. So that's how you can fix message app not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.